Everyone, I am so glad to welcome to watch this video. This video is for 4th standard ICC children, subject Social Studies. Class 4 ICC, subject Social Studies, topic are industries. Lesson number 9, part 1, session 18. What is the topic? Are industries. Lesson 9, topic is are industries. The resources provided by nature fulfill most of our needs. Many of these resources, however, cannot be used directly. Can we use wheat, cotton, tea leaves, logs of wood, and iron ore directly? No, we cannot. This is because they are raw materials. We need to convert them into finished goods such as bread, cloth, tea, furniture, and utensils before we can use them. Raw materials are converted. Converted means changed into finished goods in a factory. The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. What is an industry? The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. Okay, what things do we need to set up an industry? Raw materials, machines, power supply, human labor, money, and transport are some things needed to set up an industry. Okay, raw materials, machines, power supply, human labor, money, and transport are some things needed to set up an industry. Types of industries on the basis of size. Industries are of 3 types. How many types? 3 types. First one is cottage industries. Number 2, small scale industries. Number 3, large scale industries. First one is cottage industries. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools and use raw materials available nearby. Some such industries are weaving cloth. You can see in the picture a girl weaving cloth on handloom is a cottage industry. Okay. Next, extracting oil. Okay, மரச்செக்கில் எண்ணெய் ஆட்டி எடுப்பாங்க சரியா, that is good for health. Extracting oil from coconut, from groundnut, from sunflower seed. Okay, they'll take oil, so that comes under cottage industries. Next, grinding flour. மாவு மெஷினில் கொடுத்து சின்ன மெஷின் வச்சு அரைப்பாங்க. ஓகே, some people they'll sell flour, okay, grinding in the machine and selling the flour. Okay, so this also comes under cottage industries. Then making toys, small toys, then baskets and leather goods. Okay, these also comes under cottage industries. Next, see here, ladies are making basket and bag, men are making earthen pots, and here a lady drying chilies to make chili powder. So these are come under cottage industries. Next, we'll see small scale industries. Small scale industries employ a few workers and use small machines. People work in a small factory and they make utensils and paper cups and garments, okay, dresses. Hosiery. Hosiery means items such as stockings we wear under our dress, okay, undergarments, and socks items, and electrical and plastic goods, plastic cup, plastic box, plastic bottles, and plastic containers, okay. These all comes under small scale industries, okay. With small machines they'll make these are the things. See, people are working to make dresses, okay. Next, large scale industries. Large means what? Big, okay. Large scale industries employ thousands of workers, many workers. Large number of goods are produced with big machines, okay. At a time, more than 1,000 product, okay, they'll make. Highly trained workers, experienced workers are needed. Large scale industries, okay, include textile mills, iron and steel plants, oil refineries, okay, chemical plants, and factories manufacturing automobiles and railway equipments, okay. Automobile means what? A motor vehicle with 4 wheels, okay. And large scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials and power are easily available. Most of them are located in or near big cities, okay. You can see in the map 9.1 shows the location where some important industries are in India, and the tabular column I am going to show you 9.1 lists the name of a few places associated with these industries. Besides the industries mentioned in the tabular column, some other important industries in India are cement, fertilizer, paper, machinery, and chemicals, okay. Let's see the picture of a chemical industry in India. See here, with big machine, large machines, and many people work. See, very big factory, okay, very big industries, okay. In the map you can see short picture they given where they make textile, and next one is iron and steel plant industries, and third one is railway equipment, okay. Railway pictures they given, train picture, where there is train picture is railway equipment industries. Then automobile, where there is car pictures, okay, there they produce automobiles. Then electronic goods, okay. Then ship building, where there is harbor or port, okay, they make ship building, okay. Next, aircraft manufacturing, aeroplane picture they given, okay. Next we'll see next picture. Wait a minute. Here they give on the tabular column of where what are the industries in India and where they located, the place where located, okay. First is cotton textile, Mumbai, it is in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai in Maharashtra, Mumbai in Maharashtra, Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next, silk textile. Bengaluru in Karnataka, Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, Murshidabad in West Bengal, and Bahalpur in Bihar. Next, woolen textile. Okay, woolen dress we wear during December and January. Okay, during winter season, woolen dress. So, woolen textiles, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, Ludhiana, Punjab, and Amritsar in Punjab, then Panipat in Haryana. Okay, woolen textile. Next, what industry? Iron and steel industry. Okay, iron and steel, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, and then Rourkela in Odisha, then Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, and Salem, Tamil Nadu. And next is jute mill in Rishira in West Bengal, Gaya in Bihar, Guntur in Andhra Pradesh, Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next, sugar mill in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, and Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and Belagavi in Karnataka. Next, railway equipment, Chittaranjan, West Bengal, Kapurthala, okay, in Punjab, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, and Perambur here in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, and ICF, Perambur ICF, Integral Coach Factory. Okay, railway equipments. Then automobile, Gurugram in Haryana. Next, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, Pune in Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, automobile industry. Next, electronic goods, Bengaluru, Karnataka, and Panchkula in Haryana, and Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Next, shipbuilding, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Kochi, Kerala, then Marmago Port, Marmago in Goa, okay, and Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, aircraft manufacturing, Bengaluru, Karnataka, Nashik, Maharashtra, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Koraput, okay, in Odisha. Keep it in mind all the industries names and where they are located. Thank you, children. God bless you all.